Yeah, very good morning, children. Happy to see you again for the online class. Welcome back to the online class. As in the previous class, we had studied about the algebraic identities, correct? So let us make a list of algebraic identities what we had studied in previous. So we have started with a plus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. What was the next thing? It is a minus b the whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab. The next was a minus b, a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b and a minus b. The next is a plus b the a plus b plus c the whole square, correct? A plus b plus c the whole square formula. What was the formula you written as? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. This is very much plus 2ca, sorry. Plus 2ca. That is very much important that you need to take it as minus 2bc. Minus 2bc. You can take that is plus 2bc itself. For minus sign it becomes minus, sorry. Plus 2bc. The next thing is a minus b minus c the whole square formula, which is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. Correct? This was the formula. Why we did that? If you take 2 common, minus 2 common, you get minus AB plus BC plus CA. Correct? So, this is the formula for A plus A minus B. The whole square formula is what? It is A square plus B square plus C square minus 2AB plus 2BC minus 2CA. That is the formula for A minus B minus C the whole square. Next, what did you learn? You had learnt about A plus B the whole cube formula. What is the A plus B the whole cube formula? A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. In today's class, we are going to learn about A minus B the whole cube formula. So, what is A minus B the whole cube formula? Same, it is A cube minus B cube. A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into A minus B. So, let me take a value. A will be 5, B will be 2. So, 5 minus 2 the whole cube is equal to 5 cube minus 2 cube minus 3 into 5 into 2 and 5 minus 2. So 5 2s are 5 minus 2 is 3 cube is equal to 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 minus 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Then 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 is equal to 125 minus 8 minus 90. Correct? 3 3s are 9, 3 zeros are 0. Now, 27 is equal to 125 minus 90 minus 8 will be 98. Why? Because you have like signs, you are going to add and put the greater number sign. Now, it is subtraction time. 125 minus 98. What happens? 1 and 15. So, 8 plus 4 is 12. Then 12 plus 3 is 15. Correct? 4, 5, 6, 7. You get 7. Then in 9, 11 goes 2 times. In 9, 11 goes 2 times. So, it is 27 is equal to 27. Both LHS and RHS is equal for this formula, that is A minus B the whole cube formula, which is A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into A plus B. Correct. Then what else you have? Anything else formula you have? The last formula you have is a cube plus b cube plus c cube. And you have the formula for a cube plus b cube also. Let us write that also. For the safer side, let me write that also. A cube plus b cube, which is equal to a plus b the whole cube is equal to a plus b the whole cube plus 3ab into a plus b. That is 3ab into a plus b. Correct? So today's class will complete this identity. That is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Okay? Now, you have a and b value. It is 5 cube plus 2 cube is equal to 5 plus 2 the whole cube minus 3 into 5 into 2 into 5 plus 2. Correct? So 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, which is equal to 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 cube minus 2, 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 37. Correct? So it is 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So it is 132, which is equal to 7 7s are 49 into 7. So 7 9s are, how much is 7 9s are? 63. 3 6 carry. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 2 30. 30 plus 4 34. Minus 7 zeros are 0. 7 3s are 21. Correct. So let me subtract it. In 3, oh, mistake is that? So 7 6, wait, 7 7s are 49. Wait, 3 6 carry. 3 1. Anything wrong, sir? 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 3 will be there. Sorry, it is 3. Okay. So LHS and RHS is also equal in this. We can prove that in any identity, algebraic identity, that LHS is equal to RHS. Let us write in the table. Let us write in the table. Okay, fine. So in today's class, we had learnt about a minus b the whole cube, which is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. The next thing you learnt is a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is written as a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Then you have the next formula, that is a cube minus b cube, which is taken as a cube a plus a minus b the whole cube minus bab minus into a minus b. You have the next formula, that is a cube minus b cube, which is equal to, what is the formula of a cube minus b cube? As of already I have told you, a minus b the whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. Correct. So here when you had plus for a cube plus b cube, you would have taken minus 3ab. Here you are going to take plus 3ab. Now it is 5 cube minus 2 cube is equal to 5 minus 2 the whole cube plus 3 into 5 into 2 into 5 minus 2. Now 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, which is equal to 3 cube plus 30 into 3. So if you subtract in 8 if 15, 15 is correct, 15 only. So 15 only. So 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 12. 8 plus 4 and 12 it is 17. 117. Then 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27 plus 19. So what happens? 7 plus 0 is 7 itself. 9 plus 2 is 1 1. So you have the formula, that is a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b the whole cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So let me write it in the chart. So what is the formula? The last second formula you learnt is a cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b the whole cube plus 3ab into a plus a minus b. Now Wes, you are going to use this cube formula for three terms with the c. You are going to use it for c. You are going to use it for c. That is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square plus 3ab equal to minus AB minus BC minus CA. So what is the formula for A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC and minus CA. Then what is the condition? Condition applies, that is a plus b plus c should not be equal to 0 or it should be equal to 0 if a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Then what are you going to say? A cube plus b cube plus c cube will be equal to a 3abc. Okay, you will say that a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be equal to 3abc. Now we are going to solve this. Let me take c is equal to 1. So what is the formula what you get? It is a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So it is 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 plus 8 plus 1. So this is also 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. 5 5s are 25, 2 2s are 4, 1 1s are 1, minus 5 2s are 10, minus 2, minus 5. So here it is 9, or you can take 6. 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. 1 carry 3 and 1. Check children if it is any mistake. So here you have 5, it is 30 minus. Here 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 10 is 17, which is equal to 8 into 30 minus 17 is, if 10, if 7 goes, it is 3, and if it is 2 and 1, if it is 1. So 7 3s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 2 carry, 8 1s are 8. Wait, 8 1s are 8, 9, 10. You get 104? No. Something is wrong. No. It might be here itself. Minus 3abc I have missed. So 3 into 5 into 2 into 1. So 5 2s are 10, 10 1s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Minus 30, so it is minus 30, you get 104. That's what I told. Something is missed. So it is minus 3abc. So what is the formula you learned now? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to, It is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Clear? So today till today you have learned how many? 3, 6, 9 plus 1, 10 identities, algebraic identities. Let us revise all the things. So what is a plus b the whole square formula? It is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then a plus b the whole cube formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc formula is a plus b plus c into a square minus b square minus plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Then a cube minus b cube formula is a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube formula is a minus b the whole cube in plus 3ab into a minus b. Next, you have a minus b the whole square formula, which is a square plus b square minus 2abc. Then what is left? A plus b plus c the whole square formula is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc 2 plus 2ca. A minus b minus c the whole square formula is a square minus b square minus c square minus 2ab plus 2bc minus 2ca. So all the identities are being done here. So the algebraic part is also done. In the next class, we are going to look about the geometry part. Okay. Thank you very much, children. Have a nice day. Start studying.